Hello mga katoy-toy. Lahat tayo may appointment na hindi pwedeng i-cancel. Judgment. Pero dalawang klase ito. Hebrews 9:27. It is appointed unto man once to die, and after this the judgment. 2 Corinthians 5:10. We must all appear before the judgment seat of Christ. One personal judgment pagkatapos ng kamatayan. Two final judgment sa buong sanlibutan. Revelation 20:10. The devil was thrown into the lake of fire. Lucifer, naka, judge na. May prepared lake of fire. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na suffering lang kapag sa Diyos ka. Ang tunay na reward ay joy, peace, at eternal life. John 3:16. For God so loved the world. Whoever believes in Him shall not perish but have eternal life. Ngayon mga katoy-toy, vote mo saan sa admin ni Lucifer na Destin? Sa apoy o kay Yeshua na nag-alok ng buhay na walang hanggan? Kung ikaw ngayon para simple dumaan sa FYP mo, parang wala lang pero pag nag-echoes ito sa subconscious.mo, mismo sa panaginip mo, playback this video, ang comment, tinawag ka na. The choice is yours. Thanks for watching.